Snowstorm Workout. Snowstorm exercise number 1. You can give yourself a little bicep exercise. You can take your jugs of water and you can curl your jugs of water. Snowstorm exercise number 2. You could use the salt bag as a goblet, squat low, chest is high, grab the bottom of the bag and stand up. Snowstorm exercise number 3. Nice wide stance, flatten this low back, and we're going to just dig in, shovel, take a little bit at a time, toss our snow either to the rear, to the front, wherever we're pushing it. So this snowstorm, get off the couch, get a little exercise, and have some fun. Just watch that lower back when you're shoveling that snow.